Okay. Good afternoon to all. Let us start. I will just explain you the process, how exactly you can use the Mendeley software in the better way, and what is the process to install and how to use it. So always first go to your Google and you can type Mendeley desktop. So you can see that Mendeley desktop you can type. Once you will type the Mendeley desktop, the first icon which is download Mendeley desktop and Mendeley, click on that. Once you will click on that, kindly give the option as download Mendeley desktop for Windows, and it will start getting download in your system. And even the same software is available for the Play Store. So you can even use the same software in your mobile smartphones. And once it is downloaded, the icon will be something like this, M, but it will be in the round color. So what you can do is that, uh, okay. So what you can do is that go to your download Mendeley desktop for Windows. Once it is downloaded, open it or just install the software and it will ask for signing. So there you need to give the name of your email. You need to give the email ID and you need to give the password. Go for signing in. So then automatically that will be opened in the desktop. So once it is done, then you open that particular uh, Mendeley desktop and fill the email and password. The software will be opened like this. Once it is downloaded, the fantastic part of the Mendeley desktop is it will be helpful for you to write the references model. So how to add the files and all those things, I will just show you. That is, go to add here, go to this column, that is file, or if you can go to the files, you can have add files. Like among, I have a folder and I would just want to add one file. So I can just give open. And if suppose let's take, I want to add all the files, I will go to the file and I can give the option as add folder. So in an add folder it will ask where I just want, so I have to show the path. So in my desktop there is a review of literature Brijesh for Mendeley desktop, so I will give OK. So whatever the number of files are there in that folder, everything will be uploaded here. And you can see that down there will be a percentile how much it is getting uploaded. And it will take some time because it is loaded with the internet, so it will based upon your internet speed, it will get refreshed there. And once it is uploaded, you will see that whatever is the number of files which was there in the folder, and you can find out all this, that yes, it is all uploaded. Then what you can do, you can give the synchronize option. So in synchronize, what happens that the software will try to capture all the details, like which journal it is, who was the author, which year it is published, and so many other details which you need for the citation purpose. So here it is showing that 2 of 54. So there are totally 54 files in this model, in this platform. So there are totally 54 files, and in that only 5 are uploading. So it means that it will even show you the number of content. So let us start. I will just tell you the basic till the time it will get till the time it will get synchronized. So let me teach the basic features of this Mendeley desktop. So file options will be used. Either you want to add only one file. If you want to add a folder, you can show. And even you have something like view option in this library as citations. Like which model are you looking for, or library as table. And here in citation style, like you need to select which model do you want, like American Medical Association, or American Political Science Association, or American Psychological Association, American Sociological Association, Chicago Manual, or you are looking for site theme, or you are looking for IEEE. And there are so many more styles are also available. So whichever you want, you can click on that. So as for as far as our as far as our management and social sciences and the PhD concern or research work concern, we always use American Psychological Association. So just click on that, and almost 10 files are uploaded. And if suppose let's take you want to find out something better, like what exactly the kind of notes or something and all you have. Let's take I select this paper, pros and cons of stock market banking financing. So let me go to this paper. This is the whole paper actually. So what I can do, I can click double on that paper. So it will open like this. So where I can go through the paper, and I found something very interesting here. So what I can do, I can write it here in the journal notes. Like, okay, in a stock market, variables are good. I can write variables are nicely constructed. Variables are nicely constructed. Once it is done, you can bold that part. Like you can bold, you can Italian, or you can do the underline. And even the content part, it may have been saved. So this is the whole part of the research paper will be done. And by default, it will be getting saved there. So you can just click. Let's take we Indians are very good in downloading, but how many times we read those papers will be big question mark. So for that, let us take so whenever you will download, so this green is nothing but you have already reviewed the paper. So for that, what you can do, control A, and you can mark as okay. So currently all papers are unread. That is why the signal is green color. So what you can do is that, let's take I started this paper and I finished this paper reading, and I identified there are so many papers, but these are the good papers. So what I will do, mark as read. So there it will come like this option. So it means that you have completed the review of this paper, and whichever paper you feel it is not related with, you can give the delete option. Like first topic was stock market versus bank financing. Second topic is metallurgy and material transitions. This does not have any role. So what I can do, I can just press, I can select the file, I can select the file and I can press delete option. So that file will go off. Second is the stock market reactions to investment announcement, means related to the stock market. Again, I will start reading the paper, and here you have already updated the details, right? Like you may have written the some kind of notes and all this. So here what you will try to do, you will try to again write whether you have read or whether you have not read. Even you have options of needs review or reviewed, and like if you have read the paper, you can just click on that, the signal with the green color will change. The one more beauty of this software is you can filter by authors or you can filter by keywords. Let us filter by keywords. So these are the keywords which are given by the researcher in their research articles. So if let's take among this, I click on agency cost. So only agency cost rated paper will be published. If I click on and insurance, if I click on arbitraging, or if I click on behavior, so even by the, you can filter the whole paper based on the things. And even you can filter by authors. Like if you will take Aurora and Aurora, only one paper is there. And if you will take about the Aurora with Sangeeta, you will have one more paper. If we'll talk about Berua and Samir, there is a one paper. So even according to the different authors, you can filter the things. So, and one more thing you have, like you can go for the all like yeah, if you have done any, you can even this Mendeley desktop will help you to get some kind of research paper for your research. Then even you have something all documents, which is nothing but all the files and folders which you have uploaded in the platform. So this basically is called as your platform model. Then recently added paper. So these are the recently added papers which I have uploaded just now. And recently read paper. So you can see as I have clicked on the pros and cons of the stock market, this paper is uploaded and it is shown that under my recently read. And then again, I have favorites. So as of now, I don't have any favorites. So let me just add this paper under the favorite list. So favorite. So now if I will see my favorite, I will get one paper. Recently read, one paper I have. My publications I have not yet added, so it is not shown. Needs review means these two papers need to be reviewed at the earliest because these are related to my research part. And even one thing you can do, you can find out like you can unsort it. yeah, like here it will come as both the part, like both the things will be there. And even it will show like which are the documents you have deleted. So as I have shown you in the starting, this paper is not related to my things, so I have deleted that particular document. And in case again after that, if you found some kind of like if you want to see, if you want to create any group here, you can create, like create group and all. So you can sort the papers also. And once it is synchronized, so I can see now all the 154, all the 54 papers are synchronized now. And if you want to check for the duplicates, means there are, is there any paper which has been pasted double time, so you can check for duplicates. So I identified that there are three papers in this one file, paper will be kept and remaining two paper will be deleted, because it gives you the wrong bibliography, it gives you the wrong references. So for that, just go for the confirm merger. If you will click on this confirm merger, these three paper may have become one paper now. So it may be showing you on the top, two papers have been merged. That is, you can give the close. So now your total number of papers become 54 to 53, because there were two papers which is pasted. Say there was one paper which is copied two times. So once it is done, then what you can do, select all the file by giving Control plus A. And once it is done, go to your view option and give the, just anyway you, by default you have already selected as American psychological, or if you want to select American political this one science association, or if you, let us click on American Psychological Association 6th edition, then what you do, you open any word file and give Control V. So just a second. Okay, you can give the here itself copy as formatted citation, go to your word file and give Control V. As I am sharing this application, so I am not able to paste. But in your cases, you will be aram se, like the moment you will give Control V, it will be, the process will happen actually. So it, yes, it has happened now. So now you can see that all the things are there. So now I can give Control A and I can change the format and I can do the proper formatting and I can give the bullets or numbers here. So now at the end, I am supposed to get at least 53 details. So this is how the, like your whole references model, which can be made within few minutes, is ready for the ready for the final research or final records. Hope you all may have understood. Let us start doing the practice. In case of any query, kindly post the same.